What if your body has been warning you, but you didn't know how to listen? Welcome to Body Signals, where your body tells the truth before disease starts. Feeling tired all the time is not normal. If rest doesn't help, it may indicate iron deficiency, thyroid problems, or chronic inflammation. Muscle cramps aren't just about dehydration. They may signal magnesium deficiency, nerve issues, or circulation problems. Ignoring this long-term can increase injury risk. If your mind feels cloudy, it's often linked to blood sugar instability, sleep disorders, or vitamin B12 deficiency. Chest discomfort doesn't always feel dramatic. Mild pressure, tightness, or burning can still be heart-related. Swelling may point to circulation problems, kidney stress, or heart overload. Dark or foamy urine may indicate dehydration or kidney dysfunction. Sudden weight gain or loss without diet changes is often hormonal or metabolic. Your body whispers before it screams.